lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. How are you, lovelies? Welcome to my happy place. It's Monday in Hong Kong and it's my off today and I have time to film today, and maybe I will film 2 to 3 videos at the same time today. And it's now nighttime and waiting for my husband to come from work. But while waiting for him, let me do this mini saving challenge, as well as I will put our leftover budget into saving challenges, as well as unstopping my wallet and our holding wallet or binder or weekly binder, so that I can put it together with this leftover money and put it on the saving challenges, because the my husband's salary came already, but mine is, I'm still waiting, and my budget is until this week. So we already have some stock to be used until Sunday. That's why I will unstop the rest of the money in here as well. So before that, thank you so much for being here, and please help my channel grow by subscribing if you're new, and like or comment or hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. So let's start with the mini saving challenge. So I have still 6 here. I will just let the dice decide about this one, and let's put it together. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the other one? Okay, let me put it aside first. Let me arrange this first, and I will, okay, let's do it like this. And I have here $50, and let's put it inside here, and later I will change it into row 1. So let's count here: 50, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And put this aside. I count again: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, just roll the dice then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 3. It's going to be a long video because I unstop that one. 5. How's your weekend, lovelies? 2. Me at work is busy, weekend is busy at, well, for the rest of the restaurants. It's a family day as well, and it's a Dragon Boat Festival in Hong Kong too last Saturday. So our weekend is really busy, and I have 1 hour OT, and I don't know if they will pay for that, but anyway, let's just wait for that. If they will pay for that, or if they will just deduct my 1 hour for my daily hours work. Okay, so let's start with this one, 6. So this one is 10. Okay, let's me grab this one. So 10, this saving challenge is from Simply Living Saves. So $5 each icon. So let's cross 2. Do you think I can finish one saving challenge today? Let's see. Let's guess which one. And I got $100 tips last night. So I will put it together with the rest of my tips later on. So just wait for that. And then number 5. 5 is from Rock's Budgets. It's $2 per honeycomb. So $10. Let's see if there's a change here. Okay, let's change. So now 5, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. This Provox budgets. Let's put it aside here. And this one is from Live Budget. It's $2 per flower. And oops. So I need to add here $10. This graph here $10. This one. So where this money goes? So all of the money that I will save in my mini saving challenge will go to our month ahead fund, because I'm not month ahead on a lot of my categories, so I need to build up. That's why I'm doing the mini saving challenge. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. And this one is from Madeline budget. Okay, Madeline only got 5. And I think this is, hold on, it's 4, 2, 2, 4. Okay, I got it. I saw it. I saw it. So 2, 4, and then this one, 5. Okay, $5. So let's change this into real money. So 10 now. And then this one is from this is my challenge. So $5 each icon. So we got here 10. And we cross 2. Oh, one more and then I'll finish, right? Right. So far, I didn't finish anything yet, but let's see. So this is from Mel of Mamshi Queen. You can check her Copa shop if you want to grab this challenge. So 5. So it's supposed to be 3 here, but I make it as a 5 per ribbon. So 5. Okay. So for mini saving challenge, it's done now. And so far, I didn't finish any mini saving challenge, but maybe next time. Okay, so let's go to unstuffing my wallet. So this is last month, not May, April leftover, because I didn't film it. Yeah, I missed 3 weeks of filming. So this is April leftover, and this is May leftover. So from my wallet, let's see, 50. Okay. So I will put 90 and I leave $10. Still $10 here. You know why? 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 Because I don't want to keep my wallet empty. If I have coins, I will put here instead of $10. So just leave it. Just put it aside. So from my wallet, I have $90. And then from this weekly binder or weekly wallet, for hobby, it's empty. For food, we have 10, 20. Hold on. Maybe I will count it all together, okay? Just put it together then. $50. Groceries, I think this is $100 because I changed it. Dining out, okay. And that's it. So let's count our May leftover. 50, 2, 4, 6, 8, 150. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 250. I think this is, hang on. 250 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another $100 plus 40 plus 6. So for May, 396 left over. And for April, let's combine. Okay, 396. Okay. I haven't arranged it yet, you see? Okay. Still have some folded notes here. Okay, let's. Okay, if you happen to, you can, if you want, you can pass forward this one. For me, let's count. I think this is more than what April is. So let's write down 396 first here. I need to write down or else I'll forgot. So put 3, this is May, 396, and then April. Let's see. Okay. 100, 150, 200 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 100 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 100 plus 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 50. And the coins, 5, 10, 15, 20, 24 plus 24. So 5,9,574 for April. And a total of dun, 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 dun. Wow! 970. Yay! So let's now cast off this. 970. So please bear with me while doing this. It's gonna be a long video. Let's see. Let me arrange this one first. It's gonna be a long video. All right. So for coins, I have here my coin jar. 5, 10, 15. It's all $5. I put it on my Apple coin jar. It's now a little bit heavy now. And the rest of the coins, maybe I will use first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Okay. So I will use this one first. And let's go. So the first one is, this is my long-term binder. It's a new one. I purchased it through Mel's of Ma'am Queen online shop. So this is a graduation for my son. He's graduating this month, but I haven't finished it yet. So let's complete this. So let's count. Each coin or each circle costs $20 each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 times 20. So it's 340. Let's put here 340. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 340. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that I can complete it because we need this money for his graduation. 1, 2, hold on. 1, 200, 200. Okay, wait, let's count. 1, 200, 250, 70, 80, 90, 300. So 340, yeah. 340. Let me count again, okay? 150, 200, 250, 70, 80, 90, 300. Okay, 340. So this money, let's color this. All right. So far, you know what? He's going to university. My son is going to university. I don't know. Okay, let's count it together. So this is 340 plus 100, 200, 300, 400 plus 400 plus 20, 40, 60 plus 60. So a total of 800. Yay! I complete this challenge so we can just go out for lunch or dinner, or I will ask him what he want to go to do with this money. Maybe, yeah, we will celebrate it by eating lunch somewhere. Okay, this is done. Thanks God, I finished his graduation fund. All right, so put it aside there. Next one is for emergent B by two sister B's. So I will allocate here how much. Let's put here 50 first. 50, and let's color it yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 50 total, and let's put it. I will not count this one. I will just keep it in here. Okay. Next one is my freebie on my Copa shop. It's my, I think, 400 giveaway freebie. So roll the dice. It's save 20 or 25 in 2025. So even if you roll even number, when you roll the dice, six-sided dice, even number is 20. Or if you're a low income or low budget, $2. If add $25 or $5. Okay, let's roll the dice. Just put it like this. So 6 even is $20. Let's do, I think, let's do until here. Or, yeah, let's see. So 3 is odd, it's $25. Maybe 2, let's do 5 times. So 2, 3, $25. Okay, let's get 50. So I got 3 now, right? Oh, I forgot to cross out. So 20, 25, 25. 3, 4 is even, so $20. $20. Last one, just roll 5. 2 is even, so it's $20. Okay. So far, I save here for today 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110. All right. Yeah, 102, 4, 6, and 50. Yeah, 110. I will not count this one, how much I save in here. It's a surprise. I want surprise like this. So if you want to grab this challenge, you can visit my Copa shop. And I just posted a new freebie on my Copa shop. If you want it, just go there and grab it for free. Then so this one is from April's Fresh Start. This is all my long-term saving challenge. So let's see if I can open this. Sometimes really hard without that zipper locked and it's broken. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, let's open it up. So color and save. Each section is $20. So how many will put here? Just put $60, I think. Three first? Three or 100? Okay, put 100. Okay, let's put 100 here. So color 5. 1, 2, times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, let's just put it in here. Next one. Okay. This is from Miss Judy of Save with Judy. So what I miss here is how many? 1, 2, 3. Should be January, February, March, April, May. Oh, I'm in advance. So let's finish until this 1, 2, 3, 4. So make it $20. $20. Just get here $20. This is a low income or low budget saving challenge. You can visit her channel. All the channel that I mentioned here is a great channel. Please visit their channels as well as mine, of course. And I need your help for my channel to grow as well. And I really appreciate you all for always being here and watch my videos and helping my watch hour. I cannot mention all of you, but thank you so much. So now $20. I will go back if I still have some money. So this one, I'm also behind with this one, I think. Yeah, this from the Plans and Budget. So that's the Plans and Budget. So I'm just in February, right? No, I've done it. Yeah, I've done it. So I need to get the March one. Let me get it first. I think I haven't got it yet. Yeah, where is it? Okay, it's in here. I already did the March. So April. It's a roll and save. Let's roll and save this one. So 4, 6-sided dice. 4, 5, 1, 2, 4. Let's finish this. 4, 2, last one is 4. So let's count. Let me use my calculator because I don't want to make a mistake. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 5. So 26. So 10, 20, yeah, 26. So let's put $26 here. Okay. 20. Oh, I just use this as a dashboard. 26. Maybe I put 30 so I can get the coin. And give me $4 change. Okay, $4. Here, $4. I will go back here to finish May if there's a time left or money left. So I just put it aside first. And this one is from Bobby of Canadian Finance Journey. So this also is a yearly saving challenge. So one circle I designate here $10. So May it's $50. So let's put $50 in here. And color this blue. So I just started it last March. And let's see if I can finish it. Hopefully. Okay. I'm updated here. So let's go to the next one. So this one is from the Almost Organized Owl, Nita. Save 2025 in 2025. I'm also far behind with this one. Okay. Okay, last two. Maybe I can go back to other. So let's how much I will put in here. Let's see if I have enough money to fill all these boxes. How much we got here. And leave some for this one as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's put 100 first. 2, 4, 6, 7, 80, 90, 100. Okay, let's put 100. 19. Okay, let's put it here. 19 plus 8 plus 28 plus 8 plus 19 plus 14 plus, we put 9. 105. Okay, give me $5. Okay, 105, and let's color it here. This is my second time doing this. In 2024, I also do the Save 2024 in 2024, and I finished it. How about you? Do you have long-term savings? Okay. Yeah, I'm so happy that I have a lot of leftover budget. Hopefully, I can do the same next month. This month, sorry. All right. So this one is from Hands and Bands. I get it from their website before the start of this year. So let me So $12 per letter. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Well, how much? Let me check first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 12 is 72. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. 72. All right. Let's put 72 here. So I will not count the total of this one. I will count it at the end of this year. And hopefully I will save more this year than last year. How about you? And I will color this one off cam. I just need the mark here. Okay, let me mark here first. And I will, May is pink. So what changed in my life, in my work? Well, now I'm working 10 hours, 3 hours break in between, and 6 days off in a month. But sometimes we have OTs, but I don't know if they will pay for that. So that's my life now. And when now my mom's here, it's more easy for me. I can relax more because my mom here to help me. So I still have how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70. Let's see where I'll put this one. I think here. Let's put here first. Let's get here 25. Okay. So that I can finish the star here. 25. And let's color this star. One. Oops, sorry. I mess up. I mess up. I mess up. Okay. So now I finished January, February, March, April, May, June. Oh, until July. Yay! I'm in advance here, but and I was focusing on this 2025 and 2025. So let's put here also in, let's put a little money here also. Let's put here $10. Because this is my first week of June. Okay, just put here $10 because this challenge you will see it next month. You will only see it once a month. I will not do it regularly. It's just once a month if there's a leftover. So let's put here more. Let's see. How much we have left? 40, 42, 44, 46, 47. Okay, let's do 47. 47 minus 12 minus 33. So $2 left. No, it should be 47 minus 27 here. So 20 more. Let's color this one first. Maybe I forgot. 27 and I need 20. Where I will get 20. Okay, get there. The bird, the parrot. Then, okay, I will color it nicely later. 20. All right. So let's put here 47 then. Okay, let's call. I would just want to count it now. This one only. BPC, I didn't arrange it well. Just to before and before I ending this before I end this video. Okay. Let's see. I'm so excited to count this. How much so far how much in here? All right. Let's do this. 100, 150, 2, 4, 6, 8, 250, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 380, and some coins. I think 390. Yeah. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, 392. Yay, yay. I'm going there. I'm on track. I'm on track. Okay. That's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. God bless you. Bye.